Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Cancer. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your ascendant is sitting in the sign of Cancer, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Fool. A lot of you might have an opportunity to start something new. Whether you take this opportunity or you don't, that's entirely up to you, but there is an opportunity that is going to come towards you and it's going to make itself known and be like, I am here and you have this opportunity to take me and do something new. And that's exactly what this Fool card is telling you. It's giving you an opportunity to get out of your comfort zone, to do something new, to venture out, to figure out this new path. Whether you take it or not, that's a decision that you have to take. The next card that I have for you is the Queen of Pentacles. So somebody is going to be busy. A lot of you could be spending a lot of time multitasking, so you might be doing a lot of things while you try to figure out this new opportunity, whether this new opportunity is worth the effort or not. But you already have a lot of things going on. Your plate is full, but yet you have this passion, you have this little sense of adventure inside you, and that's going to push you towards figuring out what this new opportunity is. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Chariot card. It's telling me that you have your eyes set on a big goal. Like you have a goal on your mind and your focus, your energy is all there. When I look at this card, most of the time the Chariot card represents, very strong will, determination to do something, and you already have that. But this card is also giving me the sense of being, very Sagittarian vibe, as in you're planning for the future, you are planning to travel. So travel plans are very very important. You want something more and you want to travel, to move to a different country and to do something there, and that's very prominent with this card. So some of you might also get an opportunity to explore something new in a different country. So take it how it resonates with you, but these are the possibilities that I am seeing for you guys. The next card that I have for you guys is the 10 of Pentacles. That means you guys are planning for better finances. So your finances, or a better standard of living, could be something that's kind of giving you the needed nudge to explore this opportunity that is coming towards you. But your focus has been on maintaining a good family life or a good standard of living, because what you want is, you want to be happy at the end. Whoever you end up with, you want to be happy. And maybe for some of you, you guys are planning a family, and which is why you're looking for other opportunities that are going to serve you financially or put you a step ahead of where you already are. The next card that I have for you guys is Ten of Wands. Just what I said, you are going to be overworked. The Queen of Pentacles was overworked. The Ten of Wands card is overworked. You have multiple things going on at the same time. And my only advice to you is that if you can dedicate this work to somebody, please dedicate. Otherwise, you are going to hit a point of exhaustion. There's a limit to which how many things can be done by a single person at a point of time. So make sure you take care of your mental health as well as physical health, and try to give work or try to share work with other people if you want to have a very stable mindset moving forward. And if you really wish to explore these opportunities, you really need to keep your head leveled. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Knight of Cups, which is telling me, if you are hoping for a news to come towards you, definitely you are going to get this news. It's just a matter of time when you are going to get it, but it's definitely coming your way. The next 10 months are going to be very different from where you are right now. A lot of things are going to change, and when these 10 months happen, you will not believe that life could take such a different turn for you guys. The next card that I have for you guys is the World. So this is confirming that 100% for at least 60% of you, there is something related to travel. There is something related to a foreign land. There is something related to dealing with other people, or something to do internationally. So either the company that you are going to start working with, because I do see you getting an offer for a new job if you're unemployed, and that company might be an MNC, it might be an international company, so keep those things in mind. But there's an element of international very, very prominent in your reading. The next card that I have for you guys is the Tower card. So with the World card and the Tower card coming together, it's telling you that world is giving you this opportunity to go out and explore something new. But at the same time, it's going to put you at the spot where you feel like you are leaving behind your life. And that's going to make you feel like, your foundation has completely changed, your roots, where you are focused. That focus, because towers are all those buildings, and for buildings you need to lay a very strong foundation. So you are worried because you have to set a new foundation in a different place with the world. It might be related to the country because you have travel cards. It might be related to the new company that you're going to work with, because in a new company you'll have to mingle with people. You'll have to learn about them, you'll have to learn about their likes and dislikes, and that would be a new networking experience. And at the bottom of the deck you have the Six of Cups, which is telling me that there are chances that you might get a message or you might get a text from your ex or somebody you have worked with before, but definitely there is this element of help which is coming. Whether this help is from somebody in a physical form or somebody who's in a spirit form, but definitely there is help coming towards you, and that help could be either from a woman in your case, because this deck is based on women, so don't just take that, but it could be from somebody who's elder to you, not younger to you. From Moonology deck, the messages that I have for you guys are, the first card that I have for you is, oh my god, adjustments are required. Third quarter moon, just what I said. You need to change. You need to build new foundations. You have to grow new roots. You have to, grow yourself into this new amazing energy that's coming towards you. And trust me, you guys are going to enjoy this. It's going to be an absolutely amazing start for you. The next card I have for you guys is Emotions Are Running High, Super Moon. And again, emotions, and you don't talk about Cancer. So Cancerians, this card coming up, your fourth house gets activated. When your fourth house gets activated, we are talking about things related to comforts, things related to your mother, things related to your home place. So a lot of you might end up buying something new for your home because you want to build this family, you want to be happy, you want the world. I do see some of you buying, I don't know, a globe for some reason. You could be buying a globe, or you could be fascinated by where countries are or where your home is located, or you could be looking at buying a new house. So those things are prominent for you. Do let me know if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check your love readings and your date of birth readings.